presentation is based on personal research and a number of trips to West Africa and Southern Africa with student teams from the University of Mobile. It is meant to be supplemental to the reading in Expand Your Borders and Reaching the World in Your Own Backyard. Ubuntu is the concept, I am happy because we are happy. We see this in children playing games in Vacation Bible School. We see this with adults gathered around a campfire in the evening singing songs and swapping stories. Not only is this the case in their native African countries, but when Africans emigrate to the United States, they take this into their work environment where they work collaboratively. They take this into education where, again, they work collaboratively, because if everyone is learning, then each one is learning. Two other symbols of this region, which you have to experience firsthand, are drinking hot, sweet tea from a glass and the bush taxi. If you're invited to someone's home, you will likely be offered tea. It'll be hot tea. It will be ceremonially poured, sometimes back and forth between glasses, and you will drink it from a glass, and it will be very hot. You'll want to close your teeth unless you want to drink down the tea leaves with it. But it'll be good, and it's a great time, a relaxing time to have fellowship with people. The other sight to behold is a bush taxi coming down the road. This could be a car, a pickup truck, a minivan, a bus, but it is overloaded with people, it is overloaded with belongings, and you just shake your head when it goes by, because there's no way that the chassis are built for that kind of capacity. You will note from this slide that going from east to west, the shaded countries, Egypt, Libya, Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco, and Western Sahara, are part of North Africa, Arabic Africa, you could say. Everything south of that is referred to as Sub-Saharan Africa. So from the west, that would be Mauritania, Mali, Niger, Chad, Sudan, Ethiopia. Those countries are within the Sahara Desert, but everything there and south is part of Sub-Saharan Africa. You'll note from this slide that Africa is not a country, it is a continent. It is made up of more than 50 countries, as represented by these flags within the map. In addition to the geopolitical boundaries mentioned in the previous slide, you will note from this graphic that there are ethnic or tribal boundaries as well. Although these are fluid, this gives you an idea of the multiple hundreds of tribal distinctions found amongst the people of Africa. There are three religious traditions vying for the hearts of Africans: Christian faith, Islam, and tribal animism. In fact, folk Islam in West Africa is so mixed in with Spiritism and animism that it is said that they are Muslim by day and animist by night. In Sub-Saharan Africa, Christian faith is growing faster than any other religion, particularly in the southern regions of Africa. Be sure to read the chapter on the Sub-Saharan African cluster in Livermore's book in order to understand the cultural dimensions of collective culture, moderate to high power distance, moderate uncertainty avoidance, short-term orientation, where relationship supersedes that of task, and the high context of understanding what is being said and what is not being said.